Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Romer here. Please excuse my nasally voice. I'm actually really sick right now. I've got a chest infection and a cold, and it is winter in Australia, so that's inevitable. But yeah, anyway, so you just have to bear with me and try and take me seriously while I'm talking in this nasally voice, because I can't. Anyway, so welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning subscribers, part of the Glam Fam, if you are new, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and give it a thumbs up after this video if you do like it. So in this video, I am going to be doing my makeup in a random order. I got inspired by a video that I saw on YouTube, which was a video by one of my favorite YouTubers here, Alyssa Ashley, and she has this thing called Mystery Makeup Mondays, and she spins the wheel and she does like a different challenge each Monday. This week she did a different step for her makeup routine for each like color of the wheel. I don't actually have a beautiful colorful wheel like she does, but I thought like it gave me a bit of an idea to do my own challenge. And I thought, like, I haven't really seen this around YouTube much at all, but I decided to do doing my makeup in random order challenge. If you want to see me do my makeup in random order, then keep on watching. All my makeup steps of my makeup routine written down on these pieces of paper. I've written them all. I'm going to put them in to this little jar, put the lid on, and like give it a bit of a shake. And basically what I'm going to do is like I'm going to start off and pick out one, and the first one I pick out is what I need to start my makeup routine with. So yeah, and then so forth, and then the next one I pick up I have to do that. But the thing is, you can't do it again. So if I get like setting spray first, then I have to do setting spray. I can't do it again at the end. I can only do it like at the start. I have no idea what order they're going to come out. Obviously you guys saw me, I put them in here and I'm shaking them up. And I'm not gonna look, I'm gonna mix it around a bit because I think they're still all in like one kind of pile. Putting my hand in. Okay, so the first step I got was highlighter. I think I'm just gonna go in with this Stila highlight. It is really messed up as you can see, but it's still got a nice glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of highlight. I could actually take my beauty blender and like dip into the highlighter and just highlight like that. So strange, like without foundation, like it just looks like I'm kind of sweaty. Another thing I do have that is sort of like a highlighter is the MAC Strobe Cream. It's like a liquid highlighting cream. So I'm gonna take some of this and just apply it to like the rest of my face. So that is the first step, highlighter, which is done. I'm gonna scrunch that up. Now I'm gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so I'm not looking, I'm gonna dig around and pull one out, and the next step I got is pressed powder, which is really weird because I haven't even got any liquid foundation on. So this is the challenge, though I'm sure this is a part of the fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply pressed powder to my entire face. It's gonna be so dry. Pressed powder I'm gonna be using today is the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC30. I just take my Morphe E52 brush and go into the powder and just go all over my face. Shake this up again. Okay, so not looking, I'm gonna just, the first one I grab, I'm gonna pull out foundation. Okay, so we finally got foundation, which is good. I don't know how that's gonna go over powder though. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Peach Perfect foundation by Too Faced. This is in the shade Warm Nude. I'm gonna put my foundation onto this Stila compact and with my Morphe Y6, and I'm gonna go put this all over my face. So far it doesn't look like that bad. I do not remember this foundation being like that full coverage. Foundation isn't even that full coverage, it's like medium coverage at most. But it's like looks like really full coverage, like because I think because I added it on after the powder, it's extremely full coverage. I'm gonna go ahead with my beauty blender and just like blend that foundation in a bit more. Okay, so now that my foundation is laid down and in place, I am going to go ahead and choose the next step. I'm gonna look. This says eyeshadow, which is weird because I haven't even primed my eyelids. Well, look, I don't know if this is cheating, but I do usually put foundation over my eyes, so. Onto eyeshadow, as was chosen next. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, which I've been loving a lot lately. I'm just gonna do a quick look. That's the eyes done. I'm now going to move on to the next step. And, okay, the next step is loose powder, which is like baking powder. The loose powder I always use is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to like put it where I would bake. That is the loose powder all on. I'm going to dust off all that loose setting powder. So moving on to the next step, I'm going to go back into the tin, pick one out. Setting spray. Okay, so we're gonna set our face, even though I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna go ahead and set this beautiful look. I'm gonna set my face with the Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. Just go in. Bronzer. So the next step is bronzer. So I'm going to just bronze up this face and carve out some cheekbones. This has been what I've been loving for the past couple weeks. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. I have been loving it. Look how big the pan is. It smells like coconut. Not that I can really smell right now, but it smells like coconut. It's so nice. And I love the white packaging. This Morphe Y3. I'm going to just bronze up the face. So now that I have bronzed my face up, I'm going to go ahead and choose the next one randomly out of the tin. Okay, so finally I get to put my brows on because this face is looking super weird and almost alien-like without eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. It takes me about 1,000,000 years to do my brows, so I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, so now that my brows are on, I'm going to go ahead and choose the next piece of paper from the tin. Oh, there's not many left. So, the next one is, are you joking? We're literally at like the end of the look and it's like primer. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Too Faced Hangover Primer, kind of pat it into my face, if you will. Oh dear Lord Jesus, take the wheel. I think that's just completely like screwed up the whole look. Like, oh my god, I don't know if you can see that, but there's patches all over my face. So now that the primer's on, we are going to choose, I think it's the last step, or maybe one of the last steps. So I just picked one. Lips. Okay, so we're going to do, I'm taking a bit of a different shade. Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal. This is in the shade Petal Metal. Okay, so now the lip is on, I'm going to go ahead and choose the next step from here, then liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do my liner. Actually, I'm not feeling this lip. I'm going to just take that off. I'm just going to go in with the good old-fashioned nude. This is Butt Naked by Jeffree Star. I'm going to go ahead and do liner, which is what the next step was. This is the e.l.f. liquid liner. I've got lashes. So I just did my mascara and curled my lashes, and I am using the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. It's a really great mascara. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose the next step, and that is blush. I'm gonna go ahead and take MAC Peaches. This is my all-time favorite. This is my all-time favorite blush. This is such a beautiful peachy tone. Okay, I think this should be the final step. And we have concealer. I have the Colourpop No Filter concealers. I have them in 2 shades, which is medium 26 and light 14. They are very, very different, but I like to get a really light shade to highlight with, and I also like to get like a medium shade. I'm gonna take the medium shade, just like conceal around my nose. As you can see, there's all that redness. I'm gonna blend this concealer in, and then we'll be done with the look. So that is the completed look, and I mean, it's not the worst makeup I've seen, but it's definitely not the best. As you can see, my last step in the routine was to do my concealer, so yeah. It did, like, as you can see here, that is, I don't even know. That's just terrible. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please click the big red button and join the Glam Fam today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, I'm so sorry for my nasally voice. I hope you are not sick of hearing it already. I know I am, but anyways, I'm gonna go take some Panadol and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm really sick. Anyways, love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching.